What's going on YouTube? Today we're kind of rolling the dice a little, as you can probably see here by the packaging tape, possibly the thumbnail, and you've read the title. We got Vanquish's Trucks of Freedom. These things sell out like hotcakes, maybe even faster. I managed to grab it last Friday at like 9:30. So a little tired for work, but it's all worth it. And if you're unfamiliar with Trucks of Freedom, it is basically a mystery box, a package that's pre-put together. You don't choose your combination. You're either guaranteed an RTR or a kit and parts inside that work along with said RTR or kit. So with that being said, I'll be happy with anything that's in here. My luck, it's going to be another VRD carbon kit, but we'll find a way to, or a reason to build it nonetheless. Okay, let's get this opened. They did a pretty good job with the packaging tape. I'm kind of just using this as an opportunity to make a video, because why not? Because that's what one content creator does, right? He sees Trucks of Freedom, opens Trucks of Freedom on a live or a video, which in this case it's a video. And especially after seeing what some of the guys were getting in the Vanquish Products fan Facebook page with the purple riots, gold riots. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh, I feel pretty. Not looking inside. We're gonna have a way I want to do this. My eyes are watery for whatever reason today. Maybe it's excitement. And after this box, we have one other box, one other small one that I've got. It's for the Gspeed GSV4. So we'll open that up after this, which, unlike this, I know what's in that small box. Okay, we're gonna have this in my lap, and if any of you were curious on weight, this was 7 pounds on the dot. Alright, reach inside. Eyes closed. Wow. I just want to get all this packaging. That's a lot. That is a lot of packaging paper. My God. Can I feel oh, I can feel things now. Okay. I feel a big box, which we're safe till after. Alright. Oh. Okay, pulling out item number 1. What do we got? Oh, shit. Okay, we got some aluminum portal boxes. We got the rear F10 portal weights in here. I don't know if you guys are able to see that well. We got the rear F10 portal weights in there. They do have heavier. They have like 128 grams, something ridiculous. Not anything that I would put in the rear of my rigs, but we got the low offset one. I forget the weight on this guy. We got the aluminum portal boxes, which I did opt out on for my Gspeed, and we also have some front portal covers. These ones I think are different than the ones I have on the VRD carbon, so that's nice. And we get a Trucks of Freedom card in there as well. So now I'm thinking it's either the kit is either going to be the VRD straight axle kit or it's another VRD carbon. Anything else in that bag before we move on? Nope, that's pretty much it in that bag. I don't know where I'm going to put that card though. It used to be somewhere important. That's for sure. Putting those aside, reaching in. Oh, I feel another bag. Not looking inside. Not looking inside. Oh! Okay, we got some, I believe wheels will be in there. Is that everything? Feeling around, feel the kit. Which I know it's a kit because if this was an RTR, it would be a much larger box and the weight would be heavier. There's no way an RTR would be 7 pounds. Unless if it's not in the box and it's like, yeah, just shove this in here. It'll work. Alrighty. Let's see what we got in store for us for wheels. Should we do? We're gonna do the same thing. Let's see if I can get this open without looking inside. Oh, I can get gotten open. Feel wheels. I feel hubs. Okay, let's just pull the wheels out first. Woo! There goes something. Ooh, what are these? Ooh, these ones. We got the black Vanquish KMC Riots. There is the part number on the back, which I believe the black is a normal production color. Ooh, that look good. That look real good. We got some blue outer blue beadlock rings. That's a nice light blue. And we got some hubs in there as well. And the other set of Riots. The Riots been on my bucket list. They have been. There's the partner on the back, which I can, again, I believe you would be able to order some Tracer Black. Black's a production color, so it's a normal color you can buy. Now for the kit. Since the Riots were on my bucket list, VS410 would also be on my bucket list, but again, I'd rather either my luck would be getting another VRD carbon kit, so excuse me. That's a pretty good selection of parts we got there though. Especially those blue outer beadlock rings. No, I want to say bleed. Oh my eye. I don't know if I can get to the kit without looking inside. I don't want to look until we got things. We got a Vanquish VRD carbon kit, which this would have been my luck, which is a great kit. A great kit, but I have one. Oh. Right here. Put together. That would have been my luck. Yeah. Now, I don't know what to with that carbon kit. I don't know what to do with that carbon kit. Since I already have a carbon, I could see if any of the guys want to trade on the Google Facebook group, or I have spare parts if I break anything. It's a possibility. Good selection of parts and kit. Infinity Carbon is a really good kit. It was a great turnkey solution if you want a comp rig and not have to piece one together like I'm currently doing with the Gspeed. Which brings us to the next box, which is not Trucks of Freedom. It is not that. I gotta find somewhere to put this. There we go. Those blue outer beadlock rings, there we go, will look sweet on those black Riots. Now, unlike Trucks of Freedom, I know what's in here. Because I ran out, well, I have like a set left. I had to order another one because I didn't have enough. This is just another set of rod ends, pro rod ends. Bring them in the back. There we go. But that's will do it. I'm pretty happy. We're gonna bring that stuff back up. I'm bringing it back up. This isn't as, I mean, it is important because I need it. It's not as important as Trucks of Freedom. Still super happy with everything. I just got my luck of kit, which is the VRD Carbon, but if I ever decide to sell mine for whatever reason, we have another one. And we already have rear portal covers, and we have the fronts as well, so I could put those rears on my carbon. And I've been looking at them for the Gspeed as well, so yeah. That will do it there. I don't know what plans are going to be had with said VRD Carbon kit. It could be just use as spare parts if I break anything, or this gets stashed away till I move out and this can be like a live build thing. Who knows? Thank you guys for watching.